Purchase your tracks today.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy yourselves. Once again, thank you very much for coming.
It's a good time to be alive in 2018. All of the odds are on our sides.
Concentrate and focus on being creative and allow someone to do monetization for you.
We know, agree, and accept it now that collaboration is the only way forward.
What we say, made in Nigeria. If you have anything, this is the platform for you.
I think it's a fantastic platform.
This is very, very amazing. It's encouraging, and it's, I think, what we need right now.
When I become rich and famous, all these faces will know who I am, because I'll be...
This is the maiden edition, the first of its kind, MTN Shots Award.
I would not like to take too much of your time. I am sure it's going to be a very interesting event and a very interesting evening. Welcome once again and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Chioma, what? Is that your husband? No.
Best local channel category. Please put your hands together for 360 Ward.
Will know who I am, because I'll be a superstar. Magazines, tell me.
We hope to see you next year. Thank you very much.
Give God the glory. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's been 2 days of an amazing digital content conference brought to you by MTN.
Know who I am.